Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be working at my December daily today, and I'm going to be doing day 13 and 14. Now, today I'm going to be using this 2x2 pocket page for day 13, and then on the other side I'm going to do day 14. So I'm going to kind of need to work with them together because I'm going to be putting in the pictures, and I want to make sure that I don't have to keep taking them in and out. And so I'm going to do kind of one side and the other side as well. So what I'm going to do, this is the second year I've done this. So I have a picture here of a little box that I created. I put a bunch of goodies in it for my mom. My mom recently lost her husband to cancer this year in February. And I just knew that this was going to be a really hard Christmas for her, so I wanted to do something a little bit extra special. So I put together this little 12 days of Christmas. I actually did it last year too, but this year I definitely wanted to do it. So this is her opening the gift. We went to Sizzlers, and just this, I love this picture. She's like digging through it and like has a smile on her face, and she's just like really enjoying it. So I'm going to put that picture here. I'm going to put this picture here. I'm going to do something with the number card. But what I want to concentrate on first, I want to concentrate kind of on this piece. So what I'm going to do, I cut these are 2x4 little pieces of paper, and it's just a one-sided piece of paper. I wanted to make sure I used paper instead of cardstock because I didn't want it be too thick in the page. And what I'm going to do is I took a picture of each of the gifts that I gave her, and then I also took a picture of how I wrapped it. So to document that, I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to make these little flip ups, and they are magnetized, so they have a magnet on there. So I'm just going to make those to kind of put in the pocket on this side. And then as I was trying to figure out how to do this, I had a casualty, so I do need to reprint this picture for the 12, and then I'll put that on there. But I had to tear it off, and yeah, so I need to reprint that. But this is basically what I did. I gave her, the first day was this cute little sweater thing that I found at Walmart. So that's going to go in there, and then I'm going to just make each of them for each of the days. So that's what's going to happen on this page, on this side of the page. And then on my other side of the page, I'm going to put day 14. I had a bunch of friends over to play some board games. So I took a picture of all the games that we played. And I kind of have these in a little bit of an order on how I wanted to put them on the page. Okay. So yeah, so that's kind of the order that I want these photos to be. So now I gotta kind of just move these over. And then I'm gonna put them on the back of the pages as I create these boxes. So it's kind of a tight squeeze because I've got two pictures plus the piece of paper plus the magnet. The magnet's super thin, but it's a pretty tight fit. I'm probably going to have to trim it a little bit. Okay, that's better. And then that will be on that side like that. And then the pictures for the 14 day will be on this side. So I'm just going to walk through how I made the little flippy thing. And then put these up here in the order I want them. And yeah, so this one I actually can go ahead and put this one in the back because I just have to print the front picture again. And when I'm putting these on there, I'm putting them at the kind of the very bottom. That's not the right way, but that's okay. All right, so, okay. So I actually need, okay. All right, so basically what I'm doing is I'm going to take one of these. I'm literally just going to fold it right in half. I wrote down the gifts to make sure I put them in the right order. So I'm just going to set that up over there. So 11 was the calendar. 10 was the crystal bath salts. Okay, perfect. So now I'm just going to grab a magnet. Mess, there they are. Okay, I think these are basic gray magnets. I don't really know. I bought them at Tuesday Morning a long time ago. And it's so hard to get off the little sticky from the back. Okay, I'm just going to set this magnet on here, and then on the photo, I'm just going to glue around all the edges. And then when I place the photo, I want to place it at the very bottom of the square because I do want some hangover so that it will fold up pretty nice. So there's probably like maybe 1/8 of an inch of hangover. And then for this side, I'm going to take another magnet, place it down, basically do the same thing. Again, going as far down as possible. And I most likely will need to trim it up once I get it all on there. But get those down. All right, so then before I put this one in, I want to put this picture in. On the back side. And then it just slides down in there. And so the front cover will have all of the pictures of the gifts wrapped, and then inside you'll open it up and you can see what was inside of the gift. So I'm basically going to do that for the remainder of the pictures, and then I'll be back. I'm not going to sit and do that for all these on camera. It'll just take too long. I think it'll take me a little while, and I'll just watch a video while I'm doing it, but I will be back as soon as I get that part done. Okay? Okay, so I finished up the one. I still haven't printed that one out, but I will when I print out other pictures. So basically they all have little flip-ups with the magnets behind it, with what the gift was. So I think this is a really cute idea of how to document that, and then I'll have all my little pictures for my game day, which was really fun. So now I'm going to work on this page, and what I decided to do, I think I'm going to use this journaling card to journal, and then so I'm going to put that right there. I'm going to cut that down. I went ahead and cut down the picture of my mom and then glued it to the back of this other card. I'm thinking I'm going to put the 13 like right here. I think I'm just going to put it on the thing, on the plastic. And I did cut out the inside again, so because I'm just not liking the fact that those aren't cut out. And then I had this little 12 Days of Christmas sticker that I was thinking I was going to put somewhere. Oh, maybe right there. That might be cute. So that's kind of the plan. So I'm going to glue this on here kind of in the middle and then cut it out. I don't know if I like that now that I cut it out, but I'm gonna just go with it. Okay. All right, so there's that cut out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and glue this on. And then I think I'll just go ahead and glue this to the picture, directly to the photo. And I like that it's a little bit like an arrow, kind of pointing to this pictures over here. So I think I'm not liking how that cut uneven. So what I might do is I think I'm going to pull this off before it cures. See if I can get this pulled off. Yeah. I think what I might do is just cut out this piece by itself. Kind of liking the poinsettia because I kind of like the red. I haven't been very good at putting my journaling in, so I will have to go back and get all that done. I have it all on my phone because I like to type it in my phone. I just have to get it actually transferred and printed. Yeah, I like that. Okay. So let's get this and adhere it on. Now, do I want to offset it? gonna offset it just a little bit. All right, so that'll be where my journaling goes. And that's basically day 13 done. Now day 14, I have this other side that I'm going to put this little journaling card that I have. I'm going to put this on there. I have this little "You're Invited" sticker. I'm just going to put that at the bottom. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to fold this over, making a pocket for the other side of my day 15, which we'll do tomorrow. So that's going to go there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually glue this on as a pocket. Actually, you know what? I'm going to write in it first. So I'm going to write in it. And then what I wanted to do, maybe I'll actually just use this paper. That'll work perfect, actually. Let me just do that. Hold on 1 second. Let me cut this real quick. And then what I'm going to do is have this little piece pull out. And then I'm going to put some paper on the back of this and make this a journaling spot. So this will go here like that. I think I'm going to ink up the edges with some red. This is Fire Brick. That can go in there like that. And then I'll glue that on. I do want to write all the details first. And I'm wondering if I want to put something up here. So I think I'll look for something to put there. And then we're going to work on the next page tomorrow. But yeah, I like that. Okay, so let me go ahead. I actually think I'm going to ink up this one as well. Just a little bit around the edges. So let me get this written down. I will find something to put right here, like a circle or a star. And then I gotta find some thread to put at the top so that we can pull it out. And then I will be right back and show you everything that I did. All right, so I finished it up and put it in my journal. I'll just go ahead and write my journaling in. And then I've got all of my little pictures. I need to wait till I have more pictures to print, to print that one. But I've got all my photos there and all my photos here and my little game day. And then my little ticket tag here with that I'm just going to tuck in this little pocket, and that'll have my journaling in it. And then I have the little "Love This" hanging on the tag. Yeah, I'm really happy with the way this turned out. And that is everything that I had for you today. So I'll see you again real soon. Bye for now.